Good afternoon, everyone. This is Abhijit Kumar Jha from BJMC second year, and today here we are with our Vice Chancellor, Dr. T.R. Venkatesh. Very welcome, sir. T.R. Venkatesh, our Vice Chancellor, is known for setting Amity University. He was there in Dubai in 2011 and 2012, and he has done very well there, and he has set up the university there. Sir, very welcome to our show.
Thank
Sir,
you.
I would like to ask, sir, before this teaching thing or before Amity University, was there something else in your mind, or was there any other life apart teaching and?
True. So far, I have about 40 years of experience. Out of that, about 25 years of experience in academics. It was in 1994 I entered academics. Prior to that, for about 10-12 years, I was in an industry, banking and financial services industry. So all that I have gained in banking and financial services industry, I think I'm using here in my academic experience, both as a teacher, also as an institution builder.
So, so what is your future goal for Amity University Patna especially?
You know, government of Bihar has given some task to us, in a manner of speaking, if I say that. They want us to set up a model university in the state of Bihar, which will allow other universities, other institutions to emulate from us. That is our, I think, unwritten task given by the government of Bihar. We would like to be role model in everything that is required of a ideal educational institution, and we would like to be number one in the state of Bihar in the next 3-4 years, and probably in the top 10 in this country. That is our objective.
So, student of this age, especially who are doing bachelors, so what are your advices to those students who are doing their bachelors, and especially them, the bachelor student who are in the final year of the bachelors? So, what are your advices for them?
See, students have chosen certain specific programs. For example, BJMC students have chosen BJMC. BCom students have chosen BCom, MCom, MBA. So first of all, they should be good in their studies, first thing. So there is a structured syllabus, there are classes, there are evaluations, there are other aspects pertaining to subject learning. They should focus on that first. The second most important thing is on the application of whatever they study in the classroom. When they study something, they should keep asking, where am I going to use this, what I have learned today? Which is that company, which is that industry, which is that society which will be using, which part of the society which will be using what we have taught in the class. So application of whatever that have been taught in the class should be the next focus. The third one is the attitude building of the students, where how an individual shapes himself up, not just in studies, not just in application, but also as a well-rounded personality.
Sir, this was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much for your precious time, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Thank you very much. So here I was with Vice Chancellor of Amity University Patna, Dr. T.R. Venkatesh. It was really nice talking to him. What a joyful person. And he shared so many of his experiences and told students that how they should focus in their life. It was really nice to meet him, and I hope that our viewers, you would have learned something from it. Thank you.